Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some box braids. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional. This is my very first time ever. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Let's just get right into it. Okay guys, I have my hair all ready and prepped to get these young box braids. I'm super excited. I'll make sure to put all the products that I used in the description box below. I did wash my hair, deep condition. I actually used a little bit of a protein treatment as well. And then once I rinsed all my hair out, I made sure to put a serum on my scalp. I massaged that in. I just want to make sure that my scalp and my hair's all ready for the next couple of weeks that I'm going to have these box braids in. Again, I'm going to put all the products that I used in the description box below. My hair is pretty soft. I deep conditioned for about an hour, and then I did add some oil onto my hair after I rinsed. So it's pretty moisturized, it's soft. I did blow it out so that I can get these box braids. So I'm super excited, so let's get to it. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys the hair that I'm going to be using today. I got it from my local beauty supply store. There we go. I got the colors 1B, and then I also got 2-7 because you see I do have highlights. I did want all black, but it would kind of look weird if I just did all black and then I have like blonde up here and then it's all black at the end. So I got 2 of these and then just 1 of these, and also it is 60-inch, so I'm about to have it all the way down to my butt. Yeah, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It was only I think it was about $3 or $4, and it comes with 3 in it. So yeah, I forgot to mention that the hair that I got is already pre-stretched, just meaning that it's more layered, not so harsh at the bottom. So now we're just getting hair ready, each piece for each braid that we're gonna do. I do have my aunt here who's going to be helping me with my braids. She has a little bit more experience in braiding than I do, but it's also her first time doing box braids. Let's check my length real quick. Let's check it, because I did cut my hair recently, so I just want to see where it is. And then when I get to the end, I'm just going to put some edge control and then curl it. And then when we're done with my whole head, then I'm going to put it in some boiling water. Okay. So with each braid, we're putting edge control around the area, putting the hair on top of my hair and just braiding it in. And as we go down, we're adding more edge control so that my hair blends in with the other hair. Okay, so we still got a little ways to go. Shout out to my assistants. Say hello. Hey! So I'm gonna take my baby hairs out before we start, just so that, because if I was to do it like while the braids are in, it's probably gonna rip my hair out. So we're just gonna comb these out. So just a tip for when you're braiding, we've been adding edge control and putting it on my hair as we braid because we don't want too many hairs sticking up. There is still some, so I'm just gonna get a scissors and cut the remaining hair that's out. So yeah. Also, as you can see, she's not doing them really tight. I personally didn't want it super tight. I know some people it doesn't look right, but for me, I didn't want to be sleeping with a headache, so yeah, I told her to do them a little bit loose. I just want to show you guys over and over again how we've been starting the braid, just so you can kind of see how it goes. I know it's not too clear just because, you know, her hands are in the way, but I really hope that you can kind of see what we've been doing, and I hope this really helps for when you try and do it yourself at home. Just a tip for if you're gonna do this at home, something I really regret not doing is parting my hair into the boxes first, every single box first before I start braiding anything, getting all the pieces of hair ready so that I have the same amount of hair for each braid. Because as you can see, everything's a little unorganized at this point. I'm all the way at the top, so if you want it a little bit more perfect, please part your hair first like I should have been doing. Okay, this is the end result, guys. It came out much better than I expected, but there's so many things that I would like to work on for the next time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.